I don't understand how I even passed art class in high school, because this whole video right here is just gonna be a mess. But hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna be trying, keyword trying, to make a last minute Halloween, it's a skeleton Halloween costume. So first thing first, I didn't want it to make it the dress tight to my body, so I decided to go with a more flowy dress. And all you're gonna need is some glow in the dark glue stick. So yeah, that's it. So I got the idea actually from Pretty Little Thing, but I could not draw that, so I was like, let me find something else, which I found something similar on DOLLS. I can't remember the name of the place, but obviously you guys just saw what I just showed you. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna try to see if I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna try. So these are all the glow sticks that I have. So I started tracing it out with some Sharpies, the sketch, but it wasn't really picking up. So I decided, why not be risky and just take a big fate and then just start using the glow stick instead of actually fully tracing everything. So that's where I messed up. But yeah, I don't really know how to explain what I'm trying to do here, but just looking at it, I'm just trying to make a skeleton come alive. Ugh, this just look a mess, but at least I tried. Something new for the books. By the way, my big head isn't going to be in the video the whole time, so that you guys will be able to see everything. So, yo. So while doing this, the glue started like messing up because it wasn't dry, so I had to keep on going it over and over on it again, and it started to get lumpy. So I decided to see if I can like wipe it off. That was a bad idea. Whenever you're doing this, like if you decide to do this video, make sure that when you're squeezing it, you don't go directly onto the fabric, you just let it glide on top, because if you press down on there, it's just gonna look cakey. Not cakey, but like it doesn't really show up. So you have to just let it flow on top, and if it stops like in the middle of it, just give it a little squeeze, because if you just shake it and then squeeze it back again, it just a whole lot just come out. So it's just better to just let it slide and just do its own thing. Plus it's a small bottle, so there's not really a lot of stuff in there, so you gotta be patient with this, especially when it's starting to run out. Patience is key. And when I started to mess up, there's not really much I can actually do about it. So I just had to leave it just the way that it was. Just kept on rolling with it. I actually left this overnight for it to dry, and it turned out pretty good. I don't think, when I turned off the light, it wasn't really glowing. Don't know why that is, but it didn't glow for some weird reason. See, that's what I'm talking about. I messed up and I decided to wipe it. Then I actually used some water and it wasn't coming out. So I just left this big old mess. Instead, if I just left it, it would have just been like a little spuddle that you wouldn't be able to see. So just a little FYI. The easiest part about this, when I was starting to do the ribs, was all I did was just draw a little squiggly down the middle as like the inner part of the ribs. And then when I actually started going out on the ribs, that's what I started doing, like the Nike check sign. That was the idea, just swoop and then swoop. So you kind of do see that little check sign. Yeah, that was like the whole thing. I wasn't really feeling it, so I started just drawing circles as the little ribs and then just the Nike checks. This doesn't really have to be perfect. This is just a last minute thing. Just a last minute costume. idea. I don't think nobody will be really looking at it. Plus, think if it does glow in the dark, it will look so cool. Like, oh, you got a little ribs. Why do I keep saying ribs? Little skeleton. Oh, your little skeleton. I don't know. I'm just rambling on and on and on. I started hurrying up because I realized that the glue was running out. Like there wasn't really enough, so I was like, let me just swerve through this really quick because I didn't want to actually use a different color. I wanted everything to be the same, so you're gonna see some stuff just looking a mess. This is where the whole thing just went terribly wrong. If I just left it like this, you can kind of get the idea. But this part, I can't draw. Let's just leave it at that. I can't draw. I can't draw. I tried my best. It wasn't turning out how I wanted it to. This part is way too complicated. So, if you're a professional and you can draw, then this should be absolutely easy for you. If not, you can just struggle like I'm struggling. Just draw little shapes, little circles, little square, little hearts. I just added a heart because I couldn't figure out how to draw in that little part right there. So I was like, let me just wing this thing. I just wing it. So yeah, that was the whole idea of it. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna post this video because it is just a mess. Oh, I actually end up using a different color in the middle because I was trying to I realized that this thing was just going left, so I tried to bring it back up together. So I used this light yellow glue. I thought it would have helped, but turned out not. It didn't work. Ugh. Why did I make the other side so big? Now I have to go redo it, and I'm running out of glue. I thought I could just use my nails and then lift it up and then be able to go back over it, like make the heart bigger, and then be able to add on the glue. But it started drying while it was underneath my fingernails. I know that's nasty, but my nails are clean, so yeah. Didn't quite work out how I wanted it to be. I guess I kind of do see the idea. Just the half of it, the bottom, is not going to work out too well. This is the part where I should have gotten a wet towel and then try to clean it up. Maybe it wouldn't have dried so fast, but I actually left it to the last minute because I thought that I would have time to finish it up, but by the time I started scrubbing it, it wasn't coming off, so sorry. It's gonna have to stay like this. And this is how it turned out. So I actually decided to move it, and then that's when everything started messing up, so that's why it looks like this. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. I will give this a 4 out of 10. I think the heels and the fishnet kind of do bring it together. I should have added something on the arms, some bones or something like that. But I tried to do it on the other arm. It wasn't turning out that good, so I just forget about it. Just left it just the way how it is. It do look like if it's kind of glowing. But yeah. This is the whole video. I hope you guys like it. If not, sorry. I promise you I have videos that are way better than this. And that's how it looks. It is kind of glowing. I kind of do see it. Kind of. So I just left this overnight for it to dry, and it turned out okay. Okie dokie. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.